Hello, this is Melissa Talavera, and today I'm going to show you the ins and outs of Blogger. Now, I'm starting a YouTube channel, but before I did that, I was running a blog on Blogger, so we're going to go there. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to click that. I think it's easier when you're using Blogger just to use your Gmail, but if you don't have one, you can totally use any other email that you have. Okay, so this is kind of the background view of Blogger, so we're just going to go, let's see. There we go. So this is my actual blog. This is the view that you would get if you just searched it up online. So you see we have a search the blog feature. These are where the pages are. So you have home, you have about me, and you have the review policy. So you're able to put this anywhere. For this layout, I decided to keep it on the side. We have social media. We use a certain type of gadget. You have the archive, which is here, goes all the way to 2011. You have the different tags. So let's say you went to the blog and you wanted to find all the posts about a list. So every type of list post. So you're going to get sent here showing posts with label list. And you can just go on and it's showing it all the way from the beginning. Alright. And now let's say you wanted to go check out all the posts that are labeled WIU. It's not a lot of them, but there are some. So you're going to go here and see all the ones that I talked about featuring WIU. Alright, so this is the, like I said, this is the view you would get if you were just a regular visitor. But now we're going to click this button here to go to blogger.com. And that's where we originally started. You get the background view. So you have a bunch of different places here that you can click. One thing that I really like about Blogger is that it's easy to navigate and everything's clearly labeled. So right now, you're able to see all the posts that we have. So, and if they're drafts, they're labeled here. And if they're published, they're here. If you only want to see the drafts, which are the undone ones that we have, you can go here. As you see, we have 6 drafts. And they're just about a bunch of different things. About the Texas Teen Book Fest, a review about Devils Within. Let's see, if we're going to go to click one of the drafts, this is what you'll see. So you have the title up here. This one was created by my co-blogger, and you can see if you have multiple people who posted what. There's the labels that you saw. Go here, you can add a bunch of different ones, and click done. If you want to schedule for a blog to post, it can be automatic, or you can set a time and date. Here's the link area, so this is what you're going to have, or you can customize it, which is a pretty cool feature. And there's just your overall different options. You can add show the HTML. You can use line breaks. Really cool. Here is the actual place where the content goes. So pick the cover of the book, the title, the author, the publisher, the release date. Here's the different features that you can use up here. Add a picture. If you're going to insert a picture, you can upload it from anywhere on your computer. from the blog. So a bunch of different options here. Alright, and then when you're done, you just go ahead and publish it. You can also preview it. So this is what it would look like if it was actually live on the blog. So here we go. Long. And then here are the labels that you'll be able to find in here. So I'm going to exit out of this. We're going to save and then close. So like I said, here's the post. Another cool feature is the stats. So here's the basic overview. You can see the stats for right now. So one person was checking out the review on Burrow Hills. They were from the Young Adult Book Blog directory. And somewhere in the US or over there. Manage your own page views. This is if you want for the blog to count when you look at it. I do not, so I'm going to put don't track my views for this blog. And then we can just exit out of that. Now if you want to see the post for all time, then it would be the books to movie post with 208 page views from way back in December. You can see for the month, or the day, or the week. Comments, pretty cut and dry. You just see the comments that you posted or that were labeled spam. Here's the earnings. So what's one cool thing about Blogspot is that if you opt into a program using Adsense, where they display different ads and things on your blog, you can display where you're going to show it. For me, I picked display ads below my post only, because I didn't want the whole thing, right here, I don't want the whole thing to be spammed. So we can go look at it and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll go down all the way to the bottom, and here are the ads. So exit out of that. You can customize it in the AdSense area. You can visit AdSense for details. That's a completely different website, not really connected to Blogger. Here's the client ID, account ID. Then you're going to go to campaigns. So campaigns are really useful if you're trying to get information about your blog all out there. You can create an ad, people see your blog on Google, you can get more readers. Start now, which I'm not going to do, but you could also click learn more, just to really learn more about it. Alright, so more information. There's the pricing, because you only pay for results, but still, you might have to pay. Now we're going to go back. Okay, so pages. Like I said, there's only two, the review policy and about us. You can go down to layout. So this is the background of what you saw in the front. So here's the header. Here's the main post, main content. And this is the side, search the blog, pages, social media, followed by email, the blog archive. So you can move things around pretty easily. The label. So like I said, everything's really straightforward. So as you saw, it was in a cloud. If I wanted, it can change it to a list. And also, instead of alphabetically, I can change it by frequency. So I'm going to save that. And now that I switch that around, we can click View Blog and go and see the changes. Go down. Labels. So before it was in a cloud and it was alphabetical. Now it's based on frequency. So the most used label is review. It makes sense because this whole blog is about reviewing books. And the least used label is two-way street, which if you click it, you'll see that it is the name of a book that I talked about once and pretty much never talked about it again. Now, let's say I wanted to edit this. Click the little pencil here. So, edit post. And then, bam! It takes you back to this area where you can edit things. I'm not going to edit because this is pretty old, so I'm just going to close it. And when you close it, it takes you right back here. And there's themes, where you can switch up the theme of your blog. You can customize it, or if you know how to code, you can edit the HTML. Pretty cool. A lot of different themes, and then there's the basic settings. And this is one really cool thing. It's the reading list. So it's the list of all the blogs that I follow. So as you see, there's a good amount. So this shows the feed of all the blogs, so all the different ones. But let's say I only wanted to see posts from Allison Can Read. So it goes here, and then you can see everything that she posted. Alright, and then when you're done, I'm all done with this, you just sign out. And there you go. So now you have a better overview of how Blogger works. And if you want, you can just come on to www.blogger.com and create your blog. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day.